Hey everyone, it's what is today? Lost track of days. It is Wednesday afternoon, and all the midday models have come in, and we are getting closer to the snow that's supposed to be coming this weekend. So I just want to take a little bit better look at it and look at the Euro ensembles. Some of them have kind of blown up. It's kind of crazy. So let's just take a look at everything. So first, this is the midday run for the GFS. It's the American model. So we're just going through it. This is Thursday. You can see the rain that's coming in on Friday. And then we have a break on Saturday and then off to the west. You can see by Saturday evening some rain and snow is coming in. This is overnight into early Sunday morning. A lot of that cutoff you can see is basically on the M59 corridor in southeast Michigan, and then off to the west, basically west of like 23. And then it has more snow, and then we get lake effect going into Sunday evening and into Monday. And lake effect, really, that these global models aren't really going to show where lake effect sets up that great, but it is there through Monday. So that is one model here. Let's go back and let's take a look at the Canadian as well and just see what it has. I honestly haven't looked at the Canadian. We go through here. Here's Friday's system, and then Sunday, or this is Saturday evening, Sunday. Doesn't really have a whole lot. It does have more lake effect coming in through Monday. That's Monday morning, and then it has, so the Canadian tries to pick out these bands coming down. So like you see here, Monday in the afternoon, it has a pretty big band of lake effect snow coming down. And then more lake effect snow through Tuesday. We'll see how that turns out. But really, I kind of want to look at that the Euro here. It's kind of crazy. So you have the Euro coming in through here. Again, this is Friday, comes out. You've got Saturday evening again, has snow breaking out. It actually has some pretty heavy snow breaking out and a low just to the northeast of Toledo, which is kind of a great path for us. If this was January, I'd be really, really psyched right now. Then it has it just basically sitting there, and then we have, lake effect in through Monday. So it is by far the strongest. So if we go here, let's look at the GFS. That's at 998. GFS is at 1002 for the low. So yeah, the Euro is a lot stronger. So let's just, for fun, since we're on here today, let's just look at the actual snow. So I don't want to jump ahead here too much. So this is the GFS. This is the deterministic model, so it basically takes one outcome and rides with it, and then we'll look at the ensembles right after that. But GFS, going in through Sunday, is dropping 3 to 6 inches north of M59. Don't think that's going to happen quite yet. Very possible, though. And then we'll go to the Euro deterministic again, and we'll go through the same thing. It's going in through, this is Sunday at 7 a.m. It has some really heavy rain really heavy snow between 4 and 7 a.m. And it's putting out a lot of snow. It's a big cutoff. So it would have, if you go by this run on the deterministic with the Euro, the southeast part of Oakland County might have a ½ inch of snow, while the northwest side is at a foot. Don't know. Well, we'll see the closer we get. Again, we're getting closer. We're 4 days out. What I really like to do is come in here and look at ensembles, right? So let's zoom in here on the region. We'll go to the Great Lakes region. And let's just look at the panels for the winter here. So this has snowfall total. Snowfall totals. Here we go. And you can see all the different models. Most of them have snow. Some have more than the others, but there are 25 different members. And then there's the next 25. Some hardly have any snow. Some have a lot of snow. So what I like to do here is go up here for probabilities for the winter, right? So let's just look at this for our area. Through Monday evening, the probability for an inch of snow, once you get north of M59, we're in the 70 percentile, up to 100% basically by the time you get to the thumb. You go down here to Monroe, Lenawee, parts of Wayne, you're still in the 30 to 40%, which is not bad. It's not really bad for this time of the year. So we've got, that's for the 1 inch or greater. 3 inches or greater with the afternoon ensemble. So what the ensembles do is they mix everything together. They combine all the information and get basically like an average. So you go here, again, north of M59, you are in the 50 to 60% chance of at least 3 inches of snow or more. That's gone up a whole lot, honestly, in the past 2 runs. And for fun, let's look at 6 inches or more. So you look at the best chance for 6 inches or more up in Huron County, where they're at like a 40 to 50% chance, or actually that looks like a 30 to 40, and the rest of us like north of M59 are 20 to 30% chance of 6 inches or more of snow. So there is a chance. It's a low chance, but again, we're 4 days out. So again, it's just something to look at for now, and we'll go from there. Let's see, we'll just do total snowfall. So the ensemble average would have most of the area north of M59, 2 to 4, 3 to 6 inches of snow. South of that, 1 to 3. Ground's still warm for this time of year. Don't know how much is going to stick. Depends on how hard it falls. So again, something I'm going to be watching for the next couple of days. Kind of exciting. I like the first snowflakes of the year. But that's it for now. Figured I just want to get on and let everybody know what's going on. Talk to you later.